right, this should fix the lower back issues, ma'am. Here we go.
Ouch! My neckers hurt!
Woo! And that's how you do it!
Good job, ma'am. I marked you down for next week. Next client, come in, please.
Okay, now we're going to gently adjust your spine. Okay, sir, are you ready?
I guess.
Good.
Ah! Ah! Oh my God! Ah!
Small adjustment. Rolling forward now. Ooh. Yeah, that was a good one. Thoracic segment released. Reversing. Alignment looks excellent.
Don't feel a thing.
Hopefully this fixes my stiff neck.
Huh.